Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Doctoring Sales. First 1 to 7 questions are paragraph heading. First is paragraph A. Its heading is number 5. An example of what doctors expect from drug companies. Doctors drug companies से क्या expect करते हैं? That day she was lucky, a doctor was available to see her. The last representative offered me a trip to Florida. What do you have? The physician asked. डॉक्टर ने पूछा जो पिछली बार रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आया था, उसने मुझे फ्लोरिडा का ट्रिप ऑफर किया था. तुम क्या लाए हो? नेक्स्ट इज पैराग्राफ बी. इट्स हेडिंग इज नंबर 6. गिफ्ट्स इंक्लूड फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स. गिफ्ट्स में फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव्स शामिल होते हैं. What was on offer that day was a pair of tickets for a New York musical. But on any given day, what Schaefer can offer is typical for today's drugs representative. A car trunk full of promotional gifts and gadgets, a budget that could buy lunches and dinners for a small country, hundreds of free drug samples and the freedom to give a physician $200 to prescribe her new product to the next 6 patients who fit the drug's profile. Next is paragraph C. Its heading is number 3. Who is responsible for the increase in promotions? Promotions की increase के लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? So are doctors to blame for the escalating extravagance of pharmaceutical marketing? Or is it the industry's responsibility to decide the boundaries? Next is paragraph D. Its heading is number 9. The positive side of drugs promotion. Drug promotion की positive side क्या है? Salespeople provide much needed information and education to physicians. In many cases, the glossy brochures, article reprints and prescriptions they deliver are primary sources of drug education for healthcare givers. Next is paragraph A. Its heading is number 1. Not all doctors are persuaded. आप सभी डॉक्टर्स को प्रभावित नहीं कर सकते. I have been the recipient of golf balls from one company and I use them, but it doesn't make me prescribe their medicine, says one doctor. I tend to think I am not influenced by what they give me. Next is paragraph F. Its heading is number 7. Research shows that promotion works. Research बताती है कि promotion काम करता है. Free samples of new and expensive drugs might be the single most effective way of getting doctors and patients to become loyal to a product. Salespeople hand out hundreds of dollars worth of samples each week, $7.2 billion worth of them in 1 year. Though few comprehensive studies have been conducted, one by the University of Washington investigated how drug sample availability affected what physicians prescribe. Next is paragraph G. Its heading is number 10. Who really pays for doctors' free gifts? Doctors के free gifts के लिए कौन pay करता है? The bottom line is that pharmaceutical companies as a whole invest more in marketing than they do in research and development. And patients are the ones who pay in the form of skyrocketing prescription prices. Next 8 to 13 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, sales representatives like Kim Schaefer work to a very limited budget. Kim Schaefer जैसे sales representatives बहुत कम budget का काम करते हैं. But on any given day, what Schaefer can offer is typical for today's drugs representative. A car trunk full of promotional gifts and gadgets, a budget that could buy lunches and dinners for a small country. ये budget कम नहीं बल्कि बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो इसका आंसर no होगा. Next question is, Kim Schaefer marketing technique may be open to criticism on moral grounds. Kim Schaefer की marketing technique openly criticize हो सकती है. Salespeople like Schaefer walk the line between the common practice of buying a prospect's time with a free meal and bribing doctors to prescribe their drugs. They work in an industry highly criticized for its sales and marketing practices. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is, the information provided by drug companies is of little use to doctors. Drug companies की provided information doctors के थोड़े काम की होती है. Salespeople provide much needed information and education to physicians. बहुत ज़रूरत वाली information होती है, तो इसका आंसर no होगा. Next question is, evidence of drug promotion is clearly visible in the healthcare environment. Drug promotion के सबूत healthcare environment में सामने होते हैं. In many cases the glossy brochures, article reprints तो जो print रूप में आता है वो visible होता है. इसलिए इसका आंसर Yes, होगा. Next is not given. Next to that is, it is legitimate for drug companies to make money. Drug companies के लिए पैसा कमाना वैध है. In the end, the fact remains that pharmaceutical companies have every right to make a profit and will continue to find new ways to increase sales. उन्हें पूरा हक होता है. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.